The business is in the database. No database? No business. Do you have a database? Are you using a database? Either through a CRM, an Excel sheet, wherever you are storing the data, your database is your business. If you're not building that database, you're really not focusing on building that business. And I see so many real estate professionals not doing this effectively. You should be looking at this database every single day and asking yourself that one question: who in my database is ready to do some business with me? So if you're not building that database, every day there should be new people going into the database, either through personal connection, your prospecting, or through your marketing resources by putting out landing pages, social media campaigns, and both sources should be feeding the database so that the circle comes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And you can imagine, the bigger the database, the more people and the more opportunity you have to start closing deals in there. Follow up with the database. Start sending relevant content to that database. Start giving gifts to the database. Whatever you do, your database is the business. So if you are not building that database, what are you doing in this business? I mean, come on. You have to invest in some kind of a CRM. There's a lot of free of them out there. Or you simply use an Excel sheet. You need to collect the name, the phone number, the email, but of course a lot of additional relevant information about your prospects, because I can tell you, the more information you have of them, the more you will know how to match that to a property. So start building that database every single day, in the morning, the evening, in the afternoon, whatever you're doing. Look at the database and ask yourself the same question: who in my database is ready to do business with me today? Build that database, build that business, start making money.